First, ensure the machine is unplugged to prioritize safety. Now, grab your screwdriver and remove these 4 screws on the back panel. Gently pop off the cover. The board you see is the one requiring replacement. Carefully unplug all the wiring harnesses from the old board. Then unscrew these 4 corner screws to free the board. Pull it out slow and steady. Take your new board and peel off the protective film. Position it over the mounting holes. Insert and tighten all screws firmly with your screwdriver. Now reconnect each wiring plug. Place the back cover onto the unit, aligning the screw holes. Secure all screws snugly. Done. Power up and test. She should run like new.